What if your rough sketches could transform into stunning digital art in seconds? Let me show you my complete workflow using Adobe Firefly from concept to final masterpiece. Start with a basic pencil sketch. Details don't matter yet. Import it into Adobe Firefly as your reference layer. The beauty of this workflow is that imperfect sketches work best. Firefly's image generator understands composition and intent, not precision. Keep your sketch layer visible but reduced opacity so Firefly can enhance rather than strictly follow it. Your prompt is everything. Be specific, include art style, mood, lighting, and composition details. Instead of fantasy character, try cyberpunk warrior, neon lighting, dramatic shadows, trending on ArtStation. Firefly responds brilliantly to experiment with multiple variations. I typically generate 5 versions per sketch to compare results and find the best direction. Generate variations and upscale your favorites. Use Firefly's editing tools to adjust specific elements, change colors, add details, or modify composition. This iterative approach lets you blend eye assistance with artistic control. The final image often combines your original sketch's soul with Firefly's technical excellence and creative enhancement. Download your final render and polish in Photoshop or your preferred editor. Add final touches, adjust contrast, enhance details, fix any artifacts. This hybrid workflow respects both traditional artistry and capabilities. Your unique vision remains central. Firefly accelerates execution. Subscribe for more art techniques and creative prompting guides. Comment below, what subject would you sketch next?